another unboxing. This is Hocus Pocus baths, and I ordered a bunch of stuff. Obviously the box is, as you can see, kind of bigger than the ones I've been unboxing recently, but you know, if you buy a certain amount you get free shipping, and I had to tip that scale. All right, so first thing that I see is thank you card. Thank you, Joy. Very cute. I will be reviewing these. That's why I bought the scary kind. A thank you card. And here is her business information. Delicious candy. And the good stuff. Let's see what's in here. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I'll be right back. I'm going to unbox all of this. Okay, so the first item that we have is just super cute and super fun looking. It is called The Future Looks Brighter. It is like 2 bath bombs in one. Look at that. This one, shoot, this thing was $4.75. Let me just say, by the way, that's an excellent price. I mean, this is a pretty big bath bomb if you look at it. But let me just say that sometimes I get stuff delivered from other companies where the price is a little higher than things like this might be, or they might, and then they don't even wrap it properly. And then you think about people like this that are selling these bath bombs for $4.75, and the amount of wrapping that she did to all of these items. I mean, like, literally was labor for me to unwrap these, and the amount of filler that she put in her box to get the stuff to get here without being broken, all of that, it adds into the cost of the bath bomb. So when I see bath bombs that come in that are this size, or you know, smaller, and the price is outrageous, and then they don't even wrap it well, I'm just like, so okay. So it makes me appreciate makers like this that really give reasonable prices to bath bombs, because I take a bath every single night. Every night. I can't afford to have, you know, $13 baths every night. I can't do it. All right, so this one again was the Future Looks Brighter Waffle Bath Bomb. $4.75. Amazing. The next one is Bohemian Rhapsody Bath Bomb. Look how cute. This one was only $6. Look at that. Nice size. I was really surprised at the size of all of these, actually. Because I've been getting bath bombs recently that are very tiny, and the price might be $6, but it's nowhere near this size. Or if it's this size, it's, you know, not that wide. So this is a very good value for my money. This next one is Coraline, and she was only $6 as well. And look how freaking massive they are. Beautiful. The next one we have was Shiver with Anticipation. And this one was only $5. Very extremely reasonable, I might say. And I buy plenty of bath bombs to know what's reasonable and what's not. $4 for this one. And it's, again, a great price. It is a smaller bomb, which is why it's less than $6. And I can take a bath for $4. See? Excellent. Holy guacamole. The next one is Frankie's School Bath Bomb. This is $5. And don't for one moment think that I don't take into account the amount of work people put into these bath bombs as far as the artistry goes. I do consider that an added value as well. This one is the Book of Spells Bath Bomb, and it was $3.75. The next one is Sweet Tooth Ice Cream. Look how cute it is. I was planning on getting only ghoulish bath bombs, but I mean, the prices were just too good. This one, I'm sorry, I didn't know if I told you the price is $3. $3! I could take a bath for $3. Come on now. This next one is Sir Bartholomew Steampunk Kitty Bath Bomb. It was $6. Awesome. I don't even know which one to use first. Next, I got the 2-piece bath bomb set. These things were way bigger than I anticipated. I'm not gonna lie, because I've received other ones of this similar type style that were half the size. So these were, both of them together were $14, so like $7 a piece. And I just love that I can see color peeking through, because that's just my thing. Do I see any color on this one? This one I don't. She covered it well. But I like seeing color because that just shows me there's going to be a great color show. Though I've had her bath bombs before, and it's always a nice show. The next one that I had was the cutest thing ever. Willy Wonka. $6. $6, y'all. And the amount of work that takes into painting every detail. Girl, I see you and I appreciate you. Then the last one is the piece de resistance. The doll face bath bomb. She is so freaking marvelous. Oh my gosh. It's called doll face bath bomb. On my invoice it was $6, and then here it says pinup girl. Whatever. I love her. I love her. So let's go over them one more time. I got free shipping because I ordered more than $65 worth of bath bombs, which I have not been doing recently, but I came into a little extra cash. So I wanted to fill up my bath bomb stash before I end up going back to no cash with this COVID. But anyway, doll face bath bomb, $6. We had the Willy Wonka. That was $7. We have the set of the Corpse Bride, $14 for the set. We had this steampunk guy, Sir Bartholomew. I can't get it out, Bartholomew. And he was $6. Next we had the really nice priced ones. This one was $3, and this is Sweet Tooth. This one was $3.75, and Book of Spells. Next we have, I'm trying to get my paper together here, the Frankie bath bomb, or the Frankie's Ghoul bath bomb. That was $5. Oop, wrong one. Holy Guacamole was next, and look, I can see color. Holy Guacamole was next, and that one was $4. And then we had Shiver with Anticipation. And that one was $5. Great price. And then we had Coraline, $6. I'm telling you, the amount of times I paid $9, $10, and $11 for a bath bomb when I could just be getting them from someone like this. So I tell you, Coraline was $6. This one right here is another $6 bath bomb. And then the last one that I had was the one that really took me out for the pricing, $4.75. Come on. Come on! Alright guys, that's it from Hocus Pocus Bath and all my wonderful goodies, and I'm so excited because I literally was running out. And I will talk to you guys on the next one, and I'm definitely demoing these because they just look so much fun. Talk to you guys on the next one.